And our top story tonight, the trial begins after a nursing student was found murdered on UGA's campus.
Her encounter with him was long. Her fight with him was fierce. And that is what the Garmin data shows.
Disturbing details now coming to light as each side argues its case. And good evening, and thanks for being with us tonight. I'm Jennifer Bellamy. Guilty on every count. That's what prosecutors asked Judge H. Patrick Haggard to find today as the trial began for the man accused of killing a nursing student on UGA's campus earlier this year. Jose Ibarra is charged with 10 counts, including murder and the death of Laken Riley. 11 Alive's Molly Oak joining us in the control room tonight. And Molly, who all was in attendance for those court proceedings today?
Well, Jennifer, notably, Laken Riley's family sat in a full courtroom this morning. They were seen crying and comforting each other before they ended up leaving hours before court adjourned for the day. Day one in the courtroom takes us back to the day Laken Riley was found dead.
On February 22nd, Jose Ibarra put on a black hat, a hoodie-style jacket, and some black kitchen-style disposable gloves. And he went hunting for females on the University of Georgia's campus.
That's when prosecutors say Jose Ibarra saw Laken Riley on a run.
And when Laken Riley refused to be his rape victim, he bashed her skull in with a rock repeatedly. That is what this case is all about.
Prosecutors say during that fight, she left evidence, enough for them to finish her fight and find Jose Ibarra guilty of killing Laken Riley. But defense questioned the legitimacy of the state's conclusions.
And it's this kind of gymnastics that it will take to tell the story.
Saying while the evidence is graphic and disturbing, it isn't enough.
The state's presentation in their opening had a lot of detail about information, again, that showed that this event happened. But upon a closer look at the evidence that links Mr. Ibarra to that event, it is lacking.
Calling it circumstantial at best.
And in this case, it's an effort to explain a tragedy, but it's not based on evidence.
And today we also heard from 3 of her roommates who said Riley brought a sense of joy to their lives that's been missing ever since. You can hear their testimony on 11alive.com, including how they helped police find Riley's body. And court continues Monday at 8:30 a.m.
All right, Molly, thank you so much. Well, this case has gained national attention partly because of the debate sparked around immigration. Ibarra is a Venezuelan citizen who entered the U.S. illegally in 2022. Republicans, including President-elect Donald Trump, have held the case as an example and calling for stricter border policies. And President Joe Biden mentioned Riley by name during his final State of the Union address, where he called on Congress to pass laws to secure the border and modernize immigration laws.